Do you ever hear a mysterious ringing in your ears, feel drained even after rest, or struggle to catch every word in conversations? You're not alone, and there is something natural that might help. Introducing Audifort, a plant-based liquid supplement crafted to support hearing clarity, reduce tinnitus buzz, and ramp up your mental energy. It targets root causes like poor circulation, inflammation, oxidative stress, and neural fatigue. Comes as a sublingual liquid, one dropper per use, allowing fast absorption under the tongue. Ideal for adults experiencing ringing in the ears, muffled sound, or fatigue. Not a medical treatment, but a holistic support. Let's dive into the science. Audifort addresses 3 core pillars of hearing well-being. Boosts inner ear circulation, grape seed and green tea extracts enhance blood flow and deliver vital nutrients deep into the ear. Reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Capsicum, Gymnema, green tea, and grape seed help neutralize damaging free radicals and calm inflammation. Promotes neural balance. Maca and GABA support energy, calm neural overactivity, and help quiet tinnitus-related noise. What do real users say after using Audifort consistently? One user says, "After just 3 to 4 weeks, I noticed clarity in conversations, even in noisy rooms. The ringing stopped, and I slept like a baby. My hearing improved, and I felt genuinely energized." Using Audifort is easy, but consistency is key. 1 dropper daily in morning or midday, held under the tongue for 30 seconds for optimal absorption. Most users notice benefits within weeks, while optimal results may take 3 to 6 months. Manufactured in GMP and FDA-inspected labs in the US, with no stimulants, GMOs, or habit-forming substances. Comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee for peace of mind. If hearing clarity, more energy, or simply reconnecting with the sounds around you matters, Audifort might be the natural solution you've been waiting for. Remember, this isn't a quick fix, but with patience, it could bring significant relief. Transform your hearing and energy. Start your journey with Audifort today. Like, share, comment, subscribe for more natural health insights.